this, the SIM conditions are simple. It comes with a hybrid SIM slot for inserting one SIM and one memory card, and the micro SD card is expandable up to 256 GB of internal storage. And guys, the phone although looks very premium and classy from the back side, and it is also lightweight, so there are two benefits of this smartphone. And other than this, now let's look at the selfie camera. The phone comes with a 16 megapixel selfie shooter, which is in a water drop notch style, and the features of this selfie camera include 1080p video recording at 60 frames per second. And guys, now finally let's come to the conclusion. Huawei Nova 8 SE overall is a quite good smartphone. If you're looking up for good performance, good camera performance, and overall the design, as well as it represents an unique and visual design that enriches your personality by 100%.